Good day and welcome to Lentor Foundation, and it is day 2, which you are expected to demonstrate your understanding of Excel formula using the sum, average and count. Now let's get started. So in this tutorial I'm going to list a household items, the price and the quantity, then the amount being bought, and with that we're going to look for the sum, the average and the count of items bought. So let's get that there. So we have items here as the first one to enter. Items, so items, price, quantity, amount. Alright, after this, the next thing to do is now to list the item, the household item that I feel I want to go and buy. As an hypothetical, somebody that wants to go to the market to buy provision. So now I want to go and buy rice at a price of 2,300, but 5 Congos. Then as for beans, I love beans so much, so I know I'll eat ordinary beans, then I'll still eat rice and beans. And beans was being sold at 2,500, and because of that I'm going to buy 7 Congo of beans. And also I want to buy palm oil. I want to buy 2 bottles of palm oil, and a bottle costs 1,200, so I'll buy 2 bottles. Also I'll buy fish. Each fish costs 1,100. Now I'm gonna buy 5. Again, I'm still going to buy detergent of 2,500. Not this one piece. Then I'm still gonna buy yam. 1 yam costs 500. I'm gonna buy 12 pieces. After I bought the yam, the next thing to buy is groundnut oil. That is 1.5 on just a bottle. Alright, so I'll add my transportation. Transportation should cost me, go and come is 1,000 naira. Just put 1. So now I'm done with what I want to do. So the next thing for me is to come back and bring a formula to calculate the amount that I want to spend. So this is where our function comes. So I can now say here is equals to, you can see it is equals to, is equals to, you can see some average. I'm not done. So is equals to this multiplied by this. I'll press enter. Can you see? So 2300 times 5, 11,500. So the next thing is to use the fill function by clicking on this dot under this box, green box, and drag it downward. Alright, you can see now it says fill. You can fill. It's not getting it. Now I click on it. Let me now click on fill. Now that it has changed to box, drag it down automatically. So it has dragged it down. So let's check if we are correct. 2507. What is it? Let's go to our calculator and check. To our calculator. 2507. 2500 times 7. 17,500. So let's go and check our 1, 2. Yes, we are correct. So this is Excel function. The next thing is to show my total. So I've done that. So total now. Total is let me write total. The total amount spent now will be equals to so I'll use the sum function. So from here, drag it to the end here and press enter. So this is the total amount spent. Alright, after I've shown the total amount spent in naira, we have said we want to show the sum, average, and count. So the sum is this. Choose the sum. Average. Our average now. Average amount of you spend. So use this formula again. Count here. Average. So add everything here. Again, it shows us the average spent. This is the average spent on our goods. Then the next one is count. How many items they would buy? So it is the number of. So let's put count here as well. COUNT. Count. So this is count of items bought. So click on FX and count. So count them from here up to here as well. Enter. So we bought 8 things. How many items we bought by the market? That is 8 items. So this is what we just demonstrated. We demonstrated the use of sum, average, and count. So that is all for today. See you tomorrow when we'll be doing the day 3 challenges, where we'll be doing introduction to function with our if and v lookup. Till next time, don't forget to share this, like, and share to your loved one. I remain myself, Said Gafar. Bye for now.